What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Sorry I wasn't able to make a bunch of videos because of one of my SD cards kept getting stuck in my GoPro. So when we got it out, it broke, and we were really sad. So sorry if it took me a while to make more videos. Well, just so you know, today's video, if you saw by the thumbnail, well, the top, like the reading part, they moved our parakeets. They're right here. Look so much different without there. The reason we moved our parakeets because they're getting loud and messy. And sorry if you can hear other people. Other people are here right now. Oh. And also, we have budding quills. The two budding quills. If you saw part 1 of my house tour, you saw my animals, you saw the budding quills, and the parakeets. So we moved them out here. We got them new toys that they love, and they love it, except they're scared of us. I've had these for like a year, and I never got to hold them because of school. So that's why they hate me. And now out here, it's not as loud, and it's less dirty, but I'm sad that we had to move out here because I loved them in my room. Made my room more of a zoo-ish. And we also got new toys. If you saw that video, you probably now see this is new. These water bowls, because the ones that we had for them before were these, which they don't fit. So we got these, and they just latch on right there. And also, you could see the ladders that actually got the cage with for $50, which was a really good price. But the guy was giving them away because he was chopping down a tree and found a sugar glider and its baby, so he took care of them, growing him that, and let him go. And then he gave it away for $50, and we took it, and now we use it for parakeets and budding quills. And also the brown stick up there is new. And these. And that log. A lot of stuff. Because the budding quills have like a roller. Now they're having a whole bunch of fun. They love it. And I'm happy that they like it. And well, he's playing with it right now. Now, my both parakeets' name is Biscuit and Bacon. Bacon's the boy, while Biscuit's the girl. And then the budding quills' names, so that's M, and then the other one's N. M and M. That's their names, M and M. Gets mixed up, I know it's hard. And we actually got new fish from our back pond, which is out here too. We just put minnows in here, snails, and we have goldfish in here. I haven't named the goldfish, so comment down below what should I name them. Just so you know, there's 3. I might only sell 2, but there's 3. And oh no, one passed. One passed. Sorry if you hear noises. There's other people here. Okay, now let me show you where the quills used to be. Which I might put, I'll show you him. Draco. I might put him in here because of the Jurassic World background, which I love. This is probably maybe a 40 to 50 gallon. And the one he's like right now is like 40 gallons. But he's getting big. He's looking healthy. He's about a year old now. I got him in maybe April. I don't remember. But we'll be moving him in there and then doing something with that tank. Well, I know this video is short, but please like and subscribe. Comment down below what should I name those goldfish. Thanks for watching. Peace.